Now, this is what your joiner blades should look like with normal use. These blades are about 6 months old, and I've had the joy of replacing them twice because all 3 blades were chipped after just a couple of times using the joiner. This is why. After taking pallets apart and knocking all the nails out, it looked like everything was fine. But when you look up close, there are still pins left over from the nails on the underside. Alright, let's dig these out of here just to show you how long they are. Try not to break them off in the process here. Run this through your joiner blades, and you're not going to like the outcome. The best option I found is a handheld metal detector to find the pins and dig them out so I can use the whole board rather than cross-cutting and wasting material. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.